Hello everyone, today I will show you how to see someone's Snapchat location in ghost mode. And here's how it is done. To begin, go to your Snapchat app, go to your profile and click the settings button. Scroll down until you see the privacy controls button. Under it, click the see my location button, then enable ghost mode, whether 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turn off. After this, go to map, and now you'll see your Bitmoji holding up a blue sign with a ghost icon. From here, you can now freely see your friend's location in ghost mode. Aside from this process, you can also do it by clicking the map button. In the corner upper right side of your screen, click the settings button. Toggle the ghost mode to turn it on. Then select how long you'd like to enable ghost mode, whether 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turn off. Click the arrow facing down in your upper left corner to go back to your map. Note that when you are in ghost mode, your Bitmoji will hold up a blue sign with a ghost icon. Now you can freely see your friend's location in ghost mode. That is everything you need to know about how to see someone's Snapchat location in ghost mode. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.